From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the euro against the US dollar. The euro has shown itself to be pretty weak in the early part of the trading session on Wednesday, but let's keep it uh, in the back of our minds here that it is an FOMC Wednesday. So I think what you've got here is a little bit of position squaring over the last couple of days. Quite frankly, this is a market that I think, given enough time, will have to make a bigger decision. And we are peaking below the little support level that I've been talking about. So it's interesting. I find this a very interesting place to be right now. And the way I will trade this is I will look at the daily close. If the daily close is below the 1.15 level, maybe even the 1.1450 level, then I'm short. If we close above the 50-day EMA, then I'm probably going to be a buyer. I don't know if I'll buy the euro. What I might do is actually buy other currencies against the US dollar that are a little stronger, like the British pound. That being said, this looks like the market is starting to come to grips with the idea that maybe Jerome Powell isn't looking to cut rates anytime soon, and the percentage in the Fed funds futures markets are dropping. So at one point in September, everybody thought that the Fed was going to cut rates, and now it's down to about 65%, 66%, somewhere in that neighborhood. Ultimately, I think this is a market that, given enough time, will have to make a bigger decision. And this could end up being a very nasty double top. And in fact, you could probably find another indicator or two worth watching. Notice how that at least the moving averages on the MACD are diverging to the downside as well. We also could look at the relative strength index, and you can see that the strength is just falling off of a cliff. So it'll be interesting to see how this plays out. This will obviously have a lot more to do with Jerome Powell and how the market perceives what he has to say rather than indicators. But I do anticipate that we will have a decision probably by the end of the day.